This is Sophia and Olivia, and today we're going to teach you how to convert a quadratic equation in standard form to vertex form using completing the square in just 5 steps. We'll be working with a quadratic equation, which is an equation where the highest exponent of x is 2, aka x squared. There are 3 different forms a quadratic equation can be put in. The first one is standard form. That looks like this: y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. The next is vertex form, which looks like this: y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. The last one is factored form, which looks like this: y equals x plus or minus h times x plus or minus k. All of these forms of the equation are equal to each other. They just each make certain elements of a function easier to solve for. For example, vertex form helps you find the vertex of the function. This is where completing the square comes in. Its purpose is to convert standard form into vertex form. Step 1. Writing it out. We start out with the standard form of the equation. We'll use this one. First, we separate both the x terms from the constant. This will make things clear later. Step 2. Setting it up. First, we work with this part of the equation. You'll need to draw a square and divide it into 4 equal sections. We're going to put our result into a box to make it a perfect square. To get our result, we divide x squared plus 6x in half and put it on either side of the square. Step 3. Multiplying it out. We now multiply each term by the term it lines up with on the other side of the box. Inside our box, we'll end up with the x squared, which we already knew. Notice that 3x appears twice, equaling 6x, same as in our original equation. But in the last term, this case, 9, is where our lonely constant term comes in. Step 4. Subtracting the outcome from the constant. Because it's a leftover term, the outcome that was created when we multiplied now has to be a part of the equation. We take the outcome and subtract that number from the constant. In our example, we get -1. Step 5. Putting it all together. Now that you have -1, you can put it all together, giving you y equals x plus 3 squared minus 1. Note that the squared symbol after x plus 3 indicates that there are 2 x plus 3's. Now your equation is in vertex form. Now you can find the vertex of the function by remembering back to the vertex form in the beginning of the video. Your vertex is h, k. So the vertex of this function is 3, comma, -1. So now you know how to convert your standard form equation into vertex form using the completing the square method. Now you can find your vertex more easily. The completing the square method can also be used to find vertexes in real-world situations, like finding the height of a throw at its peak, or the height a rainbow reaches in the sky. Good luck in your math endeavors, and thanks for watching!